I give him some fruit?
Okay, these are fruit that Jeffrey took, and he seems to be catching them in his mouth. Okay, Jeff. Okay, Jeff, show me what you have in your hand.
Leave me alone, I gotta keep all my hot streaks.
Did you get it? Let me see your mouth. Show me. Oh my God, you got it. And can he do it again?
Ooh. Oh! Got my back though.
Let's see. Woo!
Alright,
excellent! You are my hero.
That's a good shot. That's why you wear glasses.
Let's see.
Watch this. You ready for this? 2 and 1. 2. 2.
2.
Oh, I got them.
2 and 1, folks. 2 and 1.